Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the ESPN Fantasy Sports game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now, once you open it up, just tap on the search box and within the search section, type in ESPN Fantasy Sports and start your search. Now, from the search results, just tap on the ESPN Fantasy Sports game and you will see the install button. Tap on this install button and this will begin the download and installation of the game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will see the open or play button. Just go ahead and tap on this button and this will open up the ESPN Fantasy Sports game on your device. If you already have an account, you can proceed with logging in to your existing one or sign up to create a new account in order to start enjoying the app right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the ESPN Fantasy Sports game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.